In this example, water flows at the rate of 10 meter per minute. Means water flows at the rate of 10 meter in minute. Means in 1 minute it travel a distance 10 meter. What is the meaning of this? In 1 minute, that is 1 minute it travel a distance 10 meter. What is the meaning of this sentence? That water travels in 1 minute 10 meter distance. Then the height of the cylindrical pipe is given. What is the height? Height of cylindrical pipe. The height of the cylindrical pipe is given. What is the height of the cylindrical pipe? 10 meter. 10 meter. 10 meter is nothing but what? 1000 centimeter. 10 meter is nothing but what? 1000 centimeter. That is nothing but diameter of the pipe is given also. Diameter is 20 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 20 millimeter. Therefore radius is equal to what? 10 millimeter. So these are the givens in these examples. The radius of the cylindrical pipe is also given. The radius of the cylindrical pipe is 10 millimeter. Then you have to find the volume of the water flow in 1 minute. Volume of water flow in 1 minute. Volume of water flow in 1 minute. That is nothing but what? Volume of the cylinder. Pi r square h. Pi is as it is. What is the radius? 10. 10 square. And what is the height? Height is 1000. Then what is the calculation? Pi 100 into 1000 as it is. So this is a centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. The answer is in centimeter cube. So radius is here what? Radius, the diameter is 40. Radius is here. Radius is 2 centimeter is given. Cylindrical pipe. Where is the? Diameter is 20. Here I am writing diameter 20 means 2 centimeter. Therefore radius is nothing but what? The half of these two. Half of 2 is 1 centimeter. So here radius is 1 centimeter. So 1 square here and 1 square 1. That is nothing but what? That is nothing but what? 1000 pi centimeter cube. Now volume of the cone, we have to find the volume of the cone. So volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3 pi as it is. What is the radius? Here is also radius is the same. The radius is what? Radius, just look. Radius. Diameter is 40 centimeter. The diameter is 40 means radius is what? 20 centimeter. Therefore radius is 20 and height is what? Height is 24. Height we are calculating. Here is the height. Depth is 24 centimeters, so height is 24. Okay. Now write down. Let the conical vessel filled in 1 minute. Therefore conical vessel filled in 1 minute. The conical vessel filled in 1 minute. Nothing but what? This volume. Volume of the cone. That volume of the cone is nothing but what? The conical vessel filled in 1 minute. Then volume of the water filled in a cone in a T minute. Therefore, volume of water filled, volume of the water filled in a cone in T minutes is nothing but what? Is nothing but water flow from the pipe. Water flow from the pipe in T minute. In a T minute. Therefore, here he has given 1000 pi multiplied by T is equal to nothing but what? 1/3 multiplied by 1/3 multiplied by what? Pi multiplied by 20 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 24. Then we are doing this calculation. The T is as time. Multiplication here, we are going to divide it. So 1/3 multiplied by pi, 20 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 24 upon 1000 pi. This pi get cancelled. 1 0 1 0. This 1 0. This 1 0. So what is remain here? T is equal to 1/3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 24, and here divided is 10. Then 3 ones are 3, 8. So what is time is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8 upon 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So this is 16 upon 5. That is nothing but what? 16 upon 5. That is nothing but 16 multiplied by 2, and this is 5 2s are 10. That is nothing but what? 3.2. That is nothing but what? 3.2 means in 3.2 minutes the water is filled. So what is last answer? The last answer is how much time will it take to fill the conical vessel? The 3 minutes and 2 seconds the time will take to fill a conical vessel. Understood? Stop.